me!
You'll never escape, Team J!
This way!
Knew this was a trap! Why would a mysterious stranger give us free tickets to a maze of mirrors?
Some people are just nice.
It doesn't matter which way you go. Every path leads you closer to me!
Hey! Wait up! Looking good, Duke.
Aye, Duke! Why are you taking a selfie? We have to escape.
At least I can do more than one thing at once. You can't even watch where you're running.
And you can only watch your own reflection.
Meana.
Jay.
Oh, hey, Petunia.
Hi, Jay. You're right on time. Behold my mirror!
What, something in my teeth?
This is my magic mirror! 7 months pocket money and totally worth it. When I press this button, whoever the mirrors are pointing at will swap bodies. You will be my show-jumping horse right after I zap Petunia's obedient brain into your perfect body. Say what now? Check this barcode face. Stop! Halloween strikeout! No!
Fitness freak?
Cheddar ball!
What's that? Some kind of selfie stick.
What's happening? Ah!
Cami!
Duke! My mirror!
You're okay.
Not even close.
Duke? What happened to your voice?
I'm Cami. That's Duke.
Hi, Jay.
Hurry up, Petunia! Hurry up! I'm fixing this mirror and coming back for you, Jay.
You gotta help me, Jay. I'm stuck in this fitness freak's body. All it wants to do is move.
I need a nap. All this body wants to do is sleep and eat and... look in the mirror.
Let's get you back in the right bodies. Your voices are freaking me out.
I don't like being so low on the ground.
Well, I don't like this head.
Here's the tape. Quick, fix the mirror. First of all, I've got hooves. Fine! I'll do everything myself.
Our time is short. The mean girl is fixing her mirror of magic.
Then we need to get in there now. It's team time.
Hand, paw.
Hoof. Nothing's happening.
I've got it! Cami and Duke are in the wrong bodies, so maybe they need to swap places. Gotcha!
Hand, paw, move. Go, Team J!
Okay then, not what I had expected.
Come on, let's use it to get over the wall.
Wait, watch out for the...
Meana mine. Go! Ow!
Cacti.
Get out of my cactuses. They're very precious. They remind me of my mother. Prickly.
Yikes!
Hey, Jay! Catch them in this!
Time to take out the trash.
Really?
No!
What's going on? Why do I smell so good?
Hoo-wee! What's that smell? I've done it! The perfect obedient mind inside the perfect show-jumping body. I'm going to win every trophy in the land.
Hey, Duke! I've got your skills, and you've got mine. Let's use them.
I like the way you think. Brace yourself. Yeah!
Wushu! Catch! I have it.
Whoa! Is everyone back to normal?
Yes!
Yes!
Thanks, Jay.
Great! Now, who's going for pizza?
Cami, I just want to say, I rock. And so do you. High five!
Meana? Well, don't just stand there. Get some plant food and turn me towards the light.
back of the net. I win. I'm dancing. A moonwalk, yeah.
Back of my net. Hashtag I win.
Put me down.
Do something!
Whoa, hold it! Quick selfie!
Really? We've got to save Jay! Oh. I've got you, buddy!
But who's got you?
Ah!
Ah! Matteo!
Jay! Yeah! 1,000 feasts of fury!
Wushu respectfully requests
That you land this thing now!
take a flight furball.
I'm coming, Jay! Yeah!
Not cool! Ah! In-flight snacks.
She's taking Jay to her mansion!
You think you can cage me? Whoa! Oh, maybe you can.
We've got to get him out, Matteo. I'm working on it. Let's start by getting over this fence.
What is this place? Why am I here? Petunia, you're trapped in here too?
Always have been.
Well, worry no more. I'm gonna get us out of here.
Oh, Jay.
Meana mine. I might have guessed. Open the gate.
Wow, you really are a magnificent creature.
Don't try and talk your way out of... Wait, did you say magnificent? I wouldn't say magnificent. Amazing, maybe.
Jay, do you like a little scratch? What about a tickle? You want your tummy scratched? Oh, yes! You are a good boy.
Some superhero.
Just look at him prance.
Follow me. I hope you know what you're doing. Don't worry, Jay. We're going to rescue you.
Take your time. No rush.
Huh?
Oh, brother.
Now, Meana. Tell me more about me.
Other people have ponies, but I have a stripy superhero.
Wow.
Did I tell you you're the best zebra in the country? Make that the best zebra in the world. Probably the universe. Hashtag amazing.
Amazing he fell for your sweet talk.
Ooh, my new pony.
Only Team Magic will get Jay out of there. Jay, you have to listen to us.
Pay no attention to them, pony. I've made you a star. So you see, my makeover has made you famous.
Really?
Really? My friends, they'd be so jealous. If I had any friends.
Don't listen to her, Jay. She kidnapped you.
Whatever.
Meana's treating you like a possession.
He's my zebra now, you silly boy.
Hey, no one talks to my friend like that. Get off my back.
Come back here. I'm not finished with you, mister. Let's go.
It's team time.
Hand, paw, who? Go, Team J!
Whoa, I wonder what that is.
You'll never get this key.
Oh, no! Whoa! A jetpack! Got you! Good work, team!
Team, I'm so sorry. I fell for Meana's flattery and let you down. Thanks for sticking with me.
Well said, Jay.
Petunia, come with us.
Petunia, a little help.
Even Meana deserves a friend.
Petunia! Whoa! Hashtag ew.
It's good to see you looking yourself again, buddy.
Are you kidding? I think glitter is your thing.
Ew.
these villains always on my back?
I thought you loved being chased.
Incoming!
We've got you now, you magical miscreants.
Can't you aim? We want the zebra. The zebra!
Oh, great shot. Not.
A little help, Jay. The crazy hamster needs you more.
You don't scare me.
I need to be in two places at once.
I'm right here, bandits. Oh! Oh, hi.
We have you now, hey breath.
What?
Jay! You're okay.
Never felt better.
Did you get him?
Yes, he's mine. I mean, ours.
Shh, they'll hear us.
Jay!
Huh?
Never fear, friends. I'm invincible. Be brave, my friends. I shall save you.
Okay, so look at this. One red and yellow flower turned into two flowers. One red and one yellow.
So there's 2 Jays?
There are 2 half Jays. It's like Mildew split out some parts of Jay's personality. He got Hero Jay, and we got him.
Guys, look. Tongue marble.
Jay is definitely not all here. We can only fix this if we have both Jays together.
How are we going to do that?
I'm working on it.
Come on, guys. It's time team.
It's team time.
Yeah, that.
Hand, paw, hoof. Go, Team J!
Huh? Huh? No magic then.
Without the magic, we're just 2 human children, a flying squirrel, a funny zebra, and one desperately handsome hamster.
We're still a team. Even without the magic. We can't let Mildew keep half of Jay.
Cami's right, and I have a plan.
Soon I'll have all the magic I need.
You can't take my magic, villains.
Oh, but we can. We will. Once my extractor has harnessed your magic, I'll be able to power any gadget I can dream of. Any gadget Mildew can dream of.
Ha! It matters not. I am invincible and super strong.
What about those pesky friends of his?
They've got their own zebra. This one's all mine.
If we can just sneak in and touch other G's hoof, we can activate the magic!
I can't quite reach. Duke, tiptoes.
Next time, I want to be at the top. This is not what I meant.
Why won't this thing turn on?
Because it was built by the world's most inept inventor.
Could we hurry up, please?
Now's our chance! Ugh!
Aha! I have gotten myself free.
Yourself?
Mildew, we've got company.
Jay, quick, touch my paw.
I'm invincible. I do not need a team.
I can't leave the team.
Team Spleen. Yeah!
Hi-ya!
Half-Jay, Wushu has never taught you martial art.
How hard can it be? Hi-ya!
Let's do it together. Jay? Jay!
It's time team.
Oh, how sweet. Well, I'll just take the magic from all of you.
Mildew Bolt ain't worth still.
He threw it off in a stinky shoe. You see, Mildew?
The magic isn't for one selfish person.
Oh!
It is for all of us to share. Yeah!
Oh, that's better. Oh!
Jay, we need the magic to put you back together.
Fine.
Hand, paw,
Hannibal, help me!
Go stand still, you nincompoop.
Get this thing off me! Wow!
Who doesn't need his team then?
I guess I'm not much of a hero without my friends.
Look!
Aw, I'm missing myself already.
Buddy, I just don't think the world can handle 2 of you.